Current time is 5:26 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Operating on the frequency of 162.40 megahertz. This is no weather radio station WXM28.
The National Weather Service has issued Tornado Watch number 406, effective until 1 a.m. Monday. This watch includes the following counties in Iowa, Lyon, and Sioux, and the following counties in Minnesota, Nobles, Pipestone, and Rock, and the following counties in South Dakota, Lake, Minnehaha, and Lee. Remember, a tornado watch means that conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including tornadoes, large hail, and damaging winds, and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA Weather Radio, commercial radio, and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information.
Operating on the frequency of 162.40 megahertz. This is no weather radio station WXM28, broadcasting from the transmitter bureau in South Dakota. Our program originates from the National Weather Service in Sioux Falls and serves the surrounding tri-state areas.
Your National Weather Service forecast for Sioux Falls and the surrounding tri-state area. Heat advisory in effect until 7 p.m. this evening. Tonight.